Have you been looking for a ranch-style home on the east side? Well, I found it for you. Hi, I'm Alisha Collins with the Alisha Collins Real Estate Team, and today we're at our newest listing at 4451 Westcott Drive. This home is located in Centennial Hills and is close to shopping and everything the east side has to offer. Let's go look inside. Step inside and you will be welcomed by an open concept living area that has lots of space, has this airy feel, and it is super light and bright. The vaulted ceilings and the hardwood floors really make this home super homey. The heart of the home is undoubtedly the kitchen, and this kitchen is sure to impress. You're gonna love cooking in it, and when everyone's over, you will be able to see everything that's going on since it's that open floor plan. This kitchen has lots of countertops, stainless steel upgraded appliances, the tall upper cabinets that I love. For all of you that sometimes work at home, this is the perfect desk, or it's a great storage area, or perfect for those kids that need to do their homework. If you're looking for a home that has 3 bedrooms all on the same level, this one has it. The hardwood continues down the hallway to these 3 bedrooms. I love the layout of this master suite. It has a great room size, a walk-in closet, and a 5-piece master bath. Tiled shower and floor, and a soaker tub. Double sinks make this the perfect oasis. The hall bath even has the laundry room in it so that you can have 1 level living. 2 additional great sized bedrooms on the main level. Both of them are light and bright as well. You are going to love the downstairs. It's super spacious and you have the opportunity to put a little stamp of your own on it. So in this area, it can be used for a variety of things, including an office, but there's plenty of other space for an office. So this could be used and is plumbed for a bar. So it would be awesome to put a wet bar right here and to put a countertop right here for bar top seating. This family room could be configured lots of different ways, and there's even enough room for a pool table or a foosball table or anything that you would like. We also have the 4th bedroom and the 3rd bathroom down in the basement. And just look at this neat room. It could be used again for a lot of different things, but right now it is a home gym. One more thing I wanted to tell you is all of this cabinetry and workbench is included. Anyone on the team would love to show you this home, so call or text us or comment down below and we will get back to you. Remember, we want you to love where you live. See you soon.